Hi, this is Ismail. I am from Dakumaya Services. We are a digital solution company specializing in transforming hard copy tender document into interactive digital tender documents in PDF formats. In this video, I will share with you the difference between static PDF tender documents and the interactive PDF tender documents. In these sample documents in this video was provided to us by the consultant engineer, which they have already converted into PDF. We will quickly show you how this original tender document is transformed into a fillable tender document. Please note that we are using a free Adobe Acrobat Reader as the PDF viewer, which means there is no need to purchase any special software to view and use our interactive tender documents. That's the first thing. Now, we have set up this, for this purpose, we have set up this document into a 2-page display so that you can see transformation of the pages from a static document into an interactive pages. Okay, let's start this with this form of tender. On the left side, as you can see on the left side is the original page, while on the right side is the same exact page which we have transformed. Okay, now see here, the left side is original, blank, nothing we can do with it, whereas on the right side, exact page, we don't do any modification at all, but we just introduce these fields or blue boxes for contractor to fill in. Okay, if we go to the rest of the page in the form of tender, here is where in this page where the amount, the tender sum will appear from the summary page into the form of tender page. As you can see, the left side has no fields, has to be key in manually, but here we have introduced boxes so that the amount will appear automatically here. Okay, next, we just skip quickly here at the end of the page. Again, we introduce these boxes so that contractor can fill in. Next, we quickly go to the BQ page. This is a summary page. All right, the left side is the original page, no fields, nothing, so there's nothing can be key in here. But here on the right side, the page that we transform, we introduce these yellow boxes next to the bill item, bill number 1, bill number 2, and so on. The amount will appear here in these yellow boxes when contractor fill in the pages in the BQ pages later on. In this prelim page, for example, we have introduced these blue boxes all over the page, item by item, clause by clause. So every single clause in the prelims will have these blue boxes for contractor to price, to key in the price. Okay, and at the bottom of each page there will be a yellow fields, so that the total from each page will appear at the bottom. Ultimately, at the end of the prelim sections, those total from these pages will be carried over to the collection page, and ultimately the collection page will be totaled up at the bottom. Now we go on further to the BQ page. As you can see here, this BQs comes with quantities and everything, but in the blank page there's nothing you can do. But we transform this page into one that we have introduced boxes for the rates as well as the amount. Okay, every single item in the BQ will have these boxes, 2 boxes corresponding to the BQ, the quantities. Every single page of the BQ will be repeatedly done the same way, so that contractor can fill in these boxes. Okay, so you can see the difference between the original blank document, which is static, there's nothing you can do with it, with the one that we have transformed by introducing all these boxes so that contractor can fill in. Okay, that distinction, or rather the difference between the static tender document and the interactive one. Okay, so in terms of interactivity, how the calculation is done in the PDF, that will be in the next video, and I will show you how the interactivity works when we key in the numbers into the prelims and BQ pages. So that's basically a quick look at about our digital documents in terms of difference between static and interactive PDF. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.